Hi, Wendy Fast here from Brightway, the Fast Agency. I just want to follow up. I've been doing some homeowners quotes for insurance lately, and I've had some repeat questions I just want to kind of bring up to everybody's attention in case it's on everybody's mind here. But the big question is, so why is the dwelling replacement cost different than the market value of my home? I can go out and sell my home right now for $500,000, but you have me quoted at something different than what I have for market value. So the way that the market value is, of course, that's what you would sell your home for right now on the market. The rebuild cost that's listed under the dwelling coverage on your homeowner's insurance is going to include, let's say we have a total fire loss, right? Home is burnt completely down to the ground. We've got a step number one, debris remove and clean up. So we take all that stuff off of that area to get ready for the reconstruction. Then we have the reconstruction. So it doesn't include land, because the land should be stabilized and ready to be reused, like in a situation as a fire. So you're going to do debris removal and then the reconstruction. And the reconstruction cost is going to be based upon what kind of materials you have in your home. What is your home built out of? Is it a frame built home? Do you have quartz countertops? Do you have wood flooring? There's all these different things that go into the square footage, the materials used, which determine the replacement costs. And we use what's called a replacement cost estimator to determine the cost of your home. So your home should not be meeting necessarily the market value, because that is not the rebuild cost, that is just what it's sold for on the market. If you have any questions about what you're paying for on your home insurance, please reach out. I can do a free review for you. We can look and see what you're looking at for your dwelling cost. Are you being insured for replacement cost value? Also, a lot of people have inflation guard to make sure that as inflation fluctuates for labor and material, that they're covered for that additional amount, and to make sure that you have replacement cost value, that you're getting a complete rebuild for that home in the event of a total loss. Feel free to shoot me a message. If you have any additional questions about this topic, you can definitely go ahead and put it in the comments. I'm here for you. I appreciate you. Hope you have a great day.